Oh, sick. It's working. Welcome back, guys. This is Jay from the Crypto Arc. I'm here to give you an update on one of my new tokens. It's called Moses. All right. Before I get started, I just want to say this is not a financial advice video, so please do your own research. All right. So let's take a look at the market right now. So we are pumping. Bitcoin went up to or past 44,000, or it's sitting there. So that's definitely good for the market. But this is Christmas. They usually pump all the assets just so like all these politicians and big guys can get their yearly bonus. All right, so this is a usual pattern. So what happens after a rise up? People take profits and then it goes down. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, so let's look at the charts. Okay, so if you take a look at this, you can see that it's been draining. The market cap has been really low, and yeah, people are just worried. Okay, I'm on the Telegram group myself, and it seems like people are getting scared because the dev is not responding as much. But I think the dev is just tired. They have been doing some development, which I'll show you. All right, but in terms of this chart right here, it's only been a couple days old, so it draining like this, it's fine. Like if you compare this to Jesus, hold on, from the inception up until before the big pump, it was like a month, right? It did a pump and then a dump. So it's the Moses token is only a couple days old, so like I'm gonna relax on this. Okay, it's not like I'm losing a lot of money. I only put in like less than $100, so I'm good. All right, so let's look at the development, which is this, the website, Moses Coin XYZ, and Jesus also has a similar website, or similar what do you call it, TLD, top level domain, which is like usually a .com, .net, or in this case .xyz. Alright, so this token aims to divide space from the Jeets to Chads. Alright, and you can click the Telegram group here. This is the official address, and this is their current email right now. Right, using a Gmail email isn't really that seen as like established, but like it's still it's still very new. Okay, and similar to Jesus, they do use biblical quotes, which is cool. It's gonna attract the Christian community and hopefully the Jesus community as well. All right, so Moses Coin aims to lead the crypto community out of the centralized desert and into the decentralized promised land. The mission is to liberate users from the chains of traditional finance, creating a path for them to cross into the decentralized realm. Now, overall, when it comes to like the big economy, the world is transitioning from centralized to decentralized. Even Brian Brooks himself stated that decentralized finance is the future of finance. So like this is following along the narrative, all right? And similar to how the story of Moses and him delivering the God's commandments, the creator of the token or the project also created commandments. So let's dive into it. First commandment: thou shalt not be a jeter. Jeter basically are those people that have paper hands. Second commandment is what goes up comes down. What goes up fast comes down faster. And if you look at the charts, it does do that. People take profits, man. Third commandment is thou shalt not ask when marketing, when trading. This is for the lazy ass motherfuckers who don't chill and help the community. And I'm helping the community right now by making a video about it. Fourth commandment is watch the market cap, not the coin price. And this is true, man. I've fallen trap into this when I first started into crypto. I was like really looking at what do you call it? Very cheap cryptos. Not that it was cheap because of the price, but it turns out it was just there's a lot of circulation in supply. I mean supply circulating, and I didn't really bother to look at the market cap. But now that I know that, I'm more into the micro caps, like Moses. Fifth commandment is not your keys, not your coins. That is true. Don't put your money or your crypto in the centralized exchanges, because a lot of these exchanges are gonna get hit with the SEC, and the SEC is gonna be like, "Yeah, man, you guys have unregistered securities," and then they basically trap your crypto in there, right? And some centralized exchanges are basically like bank runs. They had the crypto in there, they onboard your money, and then all of a sudden they're gone. That happens. Look into the history. There's multiples of them. Sixth one is thou shalt not FUD a token if you just arrived a minute ago. Yeah, a lot of them do that. If you look at the Telegram group, they do that. You see a lot of FUDders, but like, you know, it takes a lot of effort from the community to basically take them out or persuade them. Seventh one is everyone's a genius in bull market. You know, in bull market, a lot of these tokens just goes up. All right, you don't even need like to understand the fundamentals. Well, even though the fundamentals does attract the price or the money, sometimes you can just be a full degen, put your money in anything, close your eyes, and it'll go up. All right, but it's not financial advice. Please just look into it. Eighth commandment: honor the dev and moderators. They want to take everyone to the promised land, and even in the community is lazy to shill and share the coin. That's true. Look into the Telegram group. You see the moderators are doing a good job. Ninth commandment: never put your seed phrase on a device that's connected to the internet. Yeah. Get a journal or something and write it down there. Highly recommend. Last one is if you receive a message from an account that looks like a dev account or admin, it's not them. That's true. They don't DM you unless you speak to them directly into the in the actual Telegram chat or maybe Twitter, whatever they're using. Yeah, they don't ask for funds to transfer from an account. This is the work of the devil. All right, so the current Twitter right now is this. It's still not being updated. I guess the developer is busy doing his thing, his or her thing. I don't know. All right, so this is the face right here, and this is the tag. All right, there's similar tags that says Moses Coins underscore ERC. Just be careful of that one. All right, and of course there's some like minor posting. And just a couple of days ago, once again, I explained this in the other video, there was a Twitter space and they explained what they were doing just briefly, just surface level, and there's basically development being done. All right, at least I hope so. Anyways, that's it for that one. Okay. Oh, and also MYC, all right, the group that I'm in, they're slowly starting to rise again. All right, so pay attention to this group, especially their token, because you know you could be making some crazy ass money. All right, so let's get into this one. So for those of you that don't know Blackrock, they are multi-trillion hedge fund managers. Okay, so I don't really believe in this whole climate change shit, but you know that's the shit that they're pushing. Well, with HARP, they can definitely climate change a lot of things. But anyways, they're just talking about this, how they're going to address this whole climate change issue, and then they're going to put a lot of money in it. All right, and this is the PDF file. So the sector preferences when it comes to this climate change narrative shit is they're going to put money into tech and also healthcare. And by tech, that involves blockchain, because it is part of this fourth industrial revolution movement. And I'm not saying they're gonna put money in Moses, right, or Jesus. Maybe they will, depending on how well built the community is. Right, if they see that there's a lot of minds in that community, then you know they'll definitely try to manipulate it. But most likely they're gonna put into the big caps out here that have use cases. Bitcoin is the mommy. Ethereum is like the king of DeFi, right? Automation. I don't know about Tether. They will most likely keep some sort of U.S. pegged stable coin. Most likely this one. I remember when this one was like not even top 10. Now it's in top 10. XRP, yeah, that's a banking one. Solana takes away from Ethereum in terms of like what I call it, gas fees and shit. So projects in the Solana are definitely scalable. If you have your project in Ethereum, it's not going to be as scalable because when it's very congested, the gas fees are just too much, man. I remember the other day I was just moving like two to three bills, and it cost me like in total $100 in gas fees. But that's because I had multiple coins I had to liquidate. Anyways, that's it for that one. Major indicator wise, 10-year yield, it going up, it does put pressure in the market. Not necessarily the crypto market, but like there's a bunch of other markets too, like the Nasdaq and all that stuff. US dollar going down, that is positive for the market, and crude oil going down, that's negative for the market. All right, so yeah, that's about it. Oh, and also, if you're still new to crypto and you want to prepare yourself for the next bull run, I do have a guide on how I can help you guys. All right, learn from my mistakes and capitalize on the opportunities that I present in the book. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna put the link in the description and also in the comments.